first picture, Panasonic Leica 12 to 60mm lens at 40mm. Aperture is wide open, so it's f3.9, basically f4. So you can kind of consider it f4 in this scenario. This is how it looks. And now we're gonna go to Olympus 40 to 150 f2.8 lens at 40mm also. But it has constant f2.8 aperture, so wide open f2.8. You can see the bokeh is a little bit smoother, kind of not huge difference, but if you put them side by side, you can definitely see the difference. Next, we have these two comparison in close-up, closest focusing distance. So Leica at 40mm, closest possible focusing distance. This is what you get. A very nice close-up macro, semi-macro shot. And now go to Olympus 40 to 150 at 40mm. You can only get this close with this lens because the minimum focusing distance on this lens is 70 centimeters, while on the Leica is 25, I think. Let me double check that. Yeah, it's 20 to 24 centimeter. So at 40mm, it's probably minimum focusing distance is like 24 centimeters. So it's much closer, less than half the distance of the Olympus 40 to 150. So you can see a huge difference in terms of how close you can get to the subject. So the result is that you can get much better macro shot with the Leica lens as opposed to this telephoto lens. All right, so next one, we're gonna shoot at 60mm. Same comparison, so Leica, Leica 60mm f4 and Olympus 60mm f2.8. And once again, the Olympus wins in terms of bokeh background separation. Is just creamier, smoother, more separation. It looks really nice. But now if we zoom in, the Leica 60mm focusing distance at 24 centimeters, this is what you get. This is super up close, very nice detail shot of this little plant. And if you go to the Olympus 40 to 150 lens, this time it's slightly better than the 40mm, obviously, but still, you can't get nearly as close as the Leica lens. So no matter how wide open your aperture is, it just doesn't produce the kind of compression and the subject separation the Leica can create at much closer distance. The Leica 12 to 60 overlaps with the Olympus 40 to 150 in terms of a focal length. So what's the point of having Leica 12 to 60 when it is slower? It's one stop slower from 40 to 60mm. Well, here's the advantage. Your Leica lens can get much closer to the subject to get very nice macro shot, while the Olympus, despite having a wider aperture, one stop advantage, it doesn't get nearly as close. Despite you having some overlap, the Leica lens is still quite useful in this situation, kind of niche situation. Now we're going to test out the Olympus 150mm f2.8. From far away, this is how it looks. The bokeh is really nice this time. This is a very beautiful, fully taking advantage of the wide aperture. You can see the background is beautiful. Really love the rendition, and the image is really sharp. The lens is sharp, very sharp, wide open. And closest focusing distance is like this. And now it's a little bit closer to what you can get with like a 60mm at 60mm. It's a little bit closer to that, but still not quite as close. So yeah, I would say even at 150mm, the Leica is a little bit better at macro. You can see the comparison between these two, the Olympus 150 versus Leica 60, closest focusing distance.